Howdy folks, welcome to today's check-in. We're starting in the little house with Opus and Harry and Tiger. They are playing on a cat tree that has a build video for it down below there.
You can go up.
Just click on that and you can go see
Go up there.
the entire process. I do want to thank all the people who've subscribed lately. We've had over 400. Thank you.
Harry and Opus and Tiger and their cat tree. Growing a good crop of cats.
And we're moving on to the cabin with Oliver and Kathy. And next, we're going to go over to the Yurt and check in with those six.
Hi, Chadwick, Bozeman. Hi, Junie Tunes. Hi, Daisy May. Hi, Tabby Toes. Hi, Stache. Hi, Stache. Hi, all of you. Big old pile of kittens. Got all the kittens up here.
And Mama is in the storage room.
Good girl. Mama. Okay.
And we're going to wrap up today's check-in over in the studio with Jazmin and myself watching a little bit more Megalithomania.
Unusual that he was there for a few seconds trying to explain why it was impossible to measure precision alignments. Because the sun's moved from where it was.
And Ghosty out on their catio enjoying the day. And once again, thank you very much for watching the videos, subscribing, commenting, all that great stuff. Have a great day. Bye.